My name is Sadian or Maureen. You can preciously call me Maureen. That's my
Maureen.
nickname.
Okay, Maureen, where are you from?
I'm from Gaimantha district, though I'm recently staying in Bogura for my study purpose.
Okay, so where do you study?
I have completed my graduation last year from English department under National University. Now I am preparing for a suitable job and waiting for my master's admission also.
Okay, so today you have a topic is about an object. I mean, you have to describe an object that you think is beautiful, and you should say what the object is, where you saw it, what it looks like, and explain why you think it's beautiful.
To me, beauty isn't always about how something looks. Sometimes it's about the emotion, about the memories it carries. One of the most beautiful objects in my life is a small old bracelet that my mother gave me when I was a child. It may not be expensive or fancy, but it holds the deepest emotional connection for me. It's a simple silver bracelet, slightly worn out now, though over the years it has lost its shine. But for me, it has only become more precious than before. My mother's put it on my wrist when I was a little child, and even though I have grown up, I still keep this safely with me. This bracelet reminds me of my childhood, of my mother's warmth and protection. Whenever I hold it, I feel like I'm a little child again. It carries the love that words sometimes fails to express. Actually, even I feel alone. When I feel alone, it makes me feel close to her because I have been living from far from my home since my childhood till now. So I remember once as a child, I lost this bracelet and cried for hours. My mother searched everywhere until she found it. She hugged me and said, "No matter what, I will always find you, just like I found this." It makes me feel close to her. The bracelet is not just an object. It's a piece of my heart. It holds love, memories, and the emotional connection for me because it is connected to my mother.
Thank you. Thank you. 2 minutes up. So it's all about your emotion. That's not only an object, but also it becomes an emotional thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so hopefully you will never want to miss that in future if you got back that.
Yes, sir. I will never
Okay,
lost it.
so
Lose
if
it.
you get any opportunity to give something to your mom, I mean to your mother, then what object do you want to give her as a gift?
Though I didn't think about it, of what object I would give her, but mm, I would like to give her a special thing would be uh, that would be emotionally connected for her and as beautiful too.
Okay, thank you so much, Maureen. It's the end of your speaking test. Thank you.